Welcome. This video will guide you through adding a contact form to your website using Hostinger Website Builder. We'll cover everything from basic setup to advanced email integrations, showing you how to create forms that capture leads and connect with your audience efficiently. Hostinger's drag-and-drop interface makes this process simple, even if you have no coding experience. By the end of this video, you will be able to create an AI-powered form and have it connected to your email in just a few minutes. First, log into your Hostinger account using your email and password, or through social login options. Once logged in, select and open your website project in the Hostinger Website Builder interface. In the Builder, navigate to the specific page where you want to place the contact form. On the left side of the Builder interface, locate the Elements panel and search for the Contact Form widget. Drag the Contact Form widget from the panel and drop it onto your chosen spot on the page. The form will automatically adapt to your site's design and layout. Once the form is placed, you can customize it to suit your needs. Click on the form to access its settings. Here you can add, remove, or rearrange fields like name, email, phone number, and message. For example, let's add a phone number field. You can rearrange fields by dragging them. You can also add custom fields such as drop-down menus or checkboxes. Use the styling options to adjust the colors, fonts via Google's Material Design, and overall appearance of the form to match your website's design. Hostinger's Website Builder includes an AI-powered form generation tool. Use AI prompts to automatically create custom contact forms based on your site's purpose. For example, you can type "create a real estate inquiry form," and the AI will generate a suitable form. This saves you up to 70% of the setup time compared to manual creation. This feature makes it easier than ever to tailor forms to specific needs. To receive form submissions, you need to integrate the form with an email service. This ensures that when visitors submit your contact form, the data gets sent directly to your email. Start by navigating to the Settings menu in your Hostinger Website Builder dashboard. Then select the Integrations option to access the available email services. In the Integrations panel, you can connect to Hostinger's built-in free email hosting service, which is included with your plan. Alternatively, integrate with external email providers such as Gmail using SMTP settings for more flexibility. Once connected, configure the settings to specify which email address should receive the form submissions. You can also set up automated email notifications to alert you immediately when new entries arrive, helping you respond quickly to inquiries. Take your email integration to the next level by connecting your form to popular email marketing tools like MailChimp, Klaviyo, and ConvertKit. These integrations allow for real-time synchronization and automated workflows. For example, form submissions can trigger instant email campaigns or update your CRM without needing third-party plugins. This feature is crucial for lead nurturing and marketing automation, as shown in these workflow examples. Protect your contact form from spam by adding a CAPTCHA element. This verifies that submissions come from real people, not automated bots. Hostinger also provides AI-based filtering to automatically detect and block spam submissions, keeping your form clean and effective. Ensure GDPR compliance by implementing data encryption, which protects user information during form submissions. Include clear privacy policies to inform users about data handling, further supporting GDPR requirements. These security measures help build trust with your users and maintain compliance with privacy regulations. Once you've customized and integrated your form, it's time to publish your website. In the Hostinger Builder, navigate to the Publish button in the top right corner of the interface. After publishing, thoroughly test the contact form to ensure that submissions are being sent to the correct email address and that all fields are working as expected. Use a testing checklist to ensure all aspects are covered. Check that fields are required where needed, validation works, and spam prevention is active. Submit a test entry using sample data, fill in the name, email, and message fields, then click Submit. Verify that the information is received correctly by checking your email inbox or the Hostinger Dashboard Submissions panel. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional contact form on your Hostinger website.